This Bavarian boiled Eisbein serves 4 and takes about 3 hours from start to finish. Let us show you how to make it. Here are the ingredients. 3 1/2 pounds pork knuckle, bone-in, skin scored. 12 cups of water to simmer the knuckle and make the broth. 1 large yellow onion, halved before adding to the broth. 2 medium carrots, scrubbed and cut into large pieces. 2 celery stalks, cut into large pieces to flavor the broth. 3 bay leaves to add classic aromatic depth. 8 juniper berries for that traditional German flavor. 1 tablespoon whole black peppercorns to season the cooking liquid. 2 tablespoons kosher salt to season the broth and potatoes. 1 pound sauerkraut, drained, to be heated in the pork broth. 2 pounds potatoes for the creamy mash, peeled and cut into chunks. 1 cup whole milk to enrich the potato mash. 3 tablespoons butter and 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley for the mash and garnish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Rinse the 3 1/2 pounds pork knuckle, score the skin lightly, and pat it dry with paper towels. Add the pork knuckle to a large pot with 1 large halved onion, 2 chopped carrots, 2 celery stalks, 3 bay leaves, 8 juniper berries, 1 tablespoon whole black peppercorns, and 2 tablespoons kosher salt. Pour in 12 cups of water to cover. Bring the pot to a rolling boil over high heat and skim any foam from the surface with a slotted spoon. Then lower to a gentle simmer. Simmer the pork knuckle gently for 2 hours, partially covered, until the meat is fork tender and the skin yields easily. Remove the pork knuckle from the pot and let it rest for 10 minutes on a plate. Reserve about 2 cups of the cooking broth and set aside. Strain the cooking liquid into a clean pot and discard solids. Add 1 pound of drained sauerkraut and 2/3 cup of the reserved broth, then simmer the sauerkraut for 15 minutes to meld flavors. Peel and cut the 2 pounds of potatoes into even chunks. Place them in cold water, add 1 tablespoon of the kosher salt, bring to a boil and cook until fork tender, about 15 to 20 minutes. Drain the potatoes well, then mash with 1 cup whole milk and 3 tablespoons butter. Season with additional salt to taste and mash until smooth and creamy. Return the rested pork knuckle to the pot with the simmered sauerkraut and heat together for 10 minutes so the flavors meld. Taste the broth, sauerkraut, and mashed potatoes and adjust with up to 1 additional tablespoon of salt if needed. Keep flavors balanced. Spoon a generous portion of sauerkraut onto each ceramic plate, place the pork knuckle on top or alongside, and add a scoop of the potato mash. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley over the mash and pork. Serve warm. Cool leftovers quickly, then store the pork and sauerkraut in separate airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Serve a portion to each guest and enjoy the tender pork with sauerkraut and creamy potato mash. This completes the recipe. Enjoy your meal. If you enjoyed this Bavarian Eisbein recipe, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell to see more traditional recipes from around the world.